You're watching Channel 1 and you're with Romulo at his garden. Welcome, good morning, Romulo here and greetings from Eindhoven in Holland. Today I'm at the garden doing some tasks, lifting heavy loads, hauling cow dung and doing some preparation for the gardening season. Thanks for joining me. And warm welcome. I might as well show you the plans for this year. This is where I grew my dahlias. They are now sleeping, they're overwintered inside the shed. I have grown lots of dahlias last year, and at the other side I'm intending this for the perennials, plus some annuals as well. This area is intended for the ornamentals, the inner part of the garden, immediately around the shed. But this area is what I call the natural the natural garden. I want to have it look as natural as possible. The tulips have shown up, the snowdrops, the crocus, they have begun showing up, and these are the trees, apple trees, plus other perennial ornamentals. I have a banana here. I just hope it survived the winter. It's flanked by ferns. I'm using their leaves for my arrangements. I was able to make 13 big arrangements last year from my ornamental garden. And this trellis are my grapes. I failed to prune them last year and I harvested just a few. Disappointing, but this year I will have to prune them. Even over this arch, there are grapevines. That's my polytunnel where I grow my tropical vegetables. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Oh, this wheelbarrow. And this trellis or pergola is intended for my lima beans. First time this year. What's inside, Romulo? Show us. Welcome. This is the interior of the polytunnel. It has yet to be cleared. Oh, yeah. But look at the temperature. It's almost 16 inside, but outside it's 4 degrees. Even my pond is still frozen. Nothing else to do but prepare. I've started 2 years ago with no-dig gardening. I'm collecting newspapers at the office, and around this year I just laid them on top of the soil or of the ground. There are two authors of no-dig gardening that I've been following. They have books about it. One in Australia and then one in the UK. They have opposing styles or techniques, but I've been picking out the best from each. I can share the links to their materials in the comment box below if you're interested. Just indicate. Let's go and transport the compost. This is cow dung, mounds of cow dung, and look at how wet the ground is. So I had to use my rain boots. It's really heavy, this one, and they're still frozen from last night, so it's very hard. Back-breaking labor, but fulfilling once you see the plants grow. Let's return to the shed. I'm catching my breath. Welcome back, Romilo. And there's very limited space here because of the apple plants. Difficult to maneuver. They're beginning to bud, so I have to be careful with them. This is not cow dung, by the way. This is, how is it called? Just compost. The cow dung that you saw me whole was placed inside the polytunnel. And if you're new to this channel and you want to follow how our crops in the garden grow, please subscribe and click the bell icon. You will get notified once a new update is available. We'll do more tasks. I'll prepare the bed for the sweet corn and for the peas. And this is my neighbor in the garden. And do you remember this recipe that I prepared this morning? There's a clip, or there's a link provided for that recipe.
En aardappel, de gewone aardappel, is nou gegroeid.
I shared to her the kamote barbecue. Fish is now holding. Good day to you, Grace. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the day. This is Romilo from Eindhoven in Holland.